So guys, here is here one more solving video I mean came on the LeetCode Cam channel, and in today's video we are solving our 416 question by the name of partition equals subset sum. So this is a topic of the solving in today's video. So please like this video, share friends and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also. So you know, I these type of videos on the channel. So without taking any time, let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, let's start our part 416 by the name of partition equals subset sum. So let's start it. So first of all, we drag and drop this question into our Word file, so we will be clearly understand this question. So let me drag and drop this question into the Word file, and let me give the pop-ins to font to the pop-ins. So let's read the question carefully. So it is saying me given an integer array nums. Okay, in the every solving video there is a one integer array by the name of nums. Now let's see the task. Our task is we want to return true if you can partition the array into two subsets such that the sum of the elements in both subsets is equal or false otherwise. So this is a task. This is a task in our solving in today's solving video. This is our task. We return a true if you can partition the array into two subsets such that sum of elements in both subsets is equal or false otherwise. So this is a task in today's solving video. So let's see the example. For in the case 1, here he created one nums. Here you can say integer by the name of nums, in which he write 1 5 11 5. Okay, and the output will be coming true because the array can be partitioned as 1 5 5 and 1 1. So that's why the output will be coming true. So in our case 1, our output will become true. I understand. In our case 2, here he created one integer by the name of nums, in which he write 1 2 3 5, but output will be coming false because the array cannot be partitioned into the equal sum into equal some subsets. Why? Because there are the not equal numbers, like there is 1 2 3 5. There are the not same numbers, so that's why the output will be coming false. There are the same numbers. Here you can say 1 5 1 1 5, so that's why there is coming true. So I hope what you understand what I'm trying to say. So anyways, let's start to write the code. So first of all, I understand the question. Let's read the question one more time. So let me zoom it. Given an integer array num, return true if you can partition the array into two subsets such that the sum of. So let's see the hint. It not give me the any hint. Okay, these are the constants which we use in today's video. Okay, so in this question, example 1, example 2. Okay, let's start to solve it anyways. So let me zoom it and let me zoom it and let me zoom it. So let me write here first of all total. Okay, here I am defining total, sum and nums. Now I am writing here my integer array nums. Okay, if total and then module sign. If you know, if you see my video of the arithmetic operators in Python, so you must know what is the sign, what is the this sign called. Okay, enter return false, and false F's will be in capital, must be enter. Then enter catchy equals to -1 multiply by total / 2 plus 1. Then for underscore in range len nums. Okay, perfect. Now enter. Now temp equals to square bracket. Enter def helper. Now we write here. Then I comma nums comma target. Then semicolon. Then enter. Then we write non-local total. Okay, and why I'm defining a total many times, because let's see the question one more time. Total fall otherwise into two subsets. Okay, I'm defining a total because here in this line here in the starting I define a total variable, so that's why I'm defining total many times. Okay, so when we written down it, right here if I equals to length. So we are finding the length of our nums integer array. Now what you can do, semicolon, then enter. Then when you define it, define here return sum and then remove these all the codes. Sum temp then equals to total. So we are defining here exponentiation sign. So these two is called exponentiation. Okay. So now this is not called divided by sign, not exponentiation. It is called if catchy, then I, then target, then equals to -1, then semicolon, enter. Now return catchy, then I, then target, enter, backspace, then we remove these things. Okay, remove this, enter, backspace, catchy, then I, then target, then equals to helper, then I plus 1, helper, then I plus 1, comma, nums, comma, target. Now when we wrote it down, enter press, then if target, we using the if statement many times here. Okay, then nums, then I greater than equals to 0, then semicolon, then temp dot append. And like you all people know what is the work of the append method, it can join two things together. Okay, nums, then I, and then enter press. Now here I am writing catchy one more time, then I, then target, then equals to catchy, and then I, target, or helper, then I plus 1, comma, nums, comma, target, slash nums, then I. Perfect, I think so. Okay, perfect. Now define here temp, then dot pop method. Okay, then remove these things. Now at the end you define your return catchy. And why I'm defining this return catchy? To see our output. Okay, then backspace here, then return helper, then 0 comma nums comma total, then exponentiation sign, then 2, then define here comment. So when we define here comment, so let's see the recheck our code. Okay, here we define so in these solving video we are using the math functions. Okay, many, here we are using the math functions. You can see this question is about array and dynamic programming. Okay, on there's a question on about an array and dynamic programming. Okay, so here you can see it, we solve it, I successfully, yes. So let's run it and let's see it is correct or not. So when I run it, so here you can see our all cases are accepted. In our case 1 our output will be coming true, and our case 2 our output will be coming false. So let's submit this and let's see the submission of this code. The submission of this code is correct or not. So when I submit it, so it take a little bit time. Then here you can see it has been submitted very easily, yes. So we solve it in 1615 milliseconds very easily, yes. Okay, and now here we solve this question very easily, yes. So here you can see we solve our partition equal subset sum by the name, and there's a 416 question which we solve in today's video. So come out in my profile name is Rayyan. So come out in my profile and view my profile. Okay, go and view my profile. So now here you can see in today's video we solved this question, 416 questions. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you know have these type of videos on the channel. So anyways, let me meet you in the next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.